morning students. We are doing chapter measure of dispersion. Under this chapter we have done two topics, that is range and quartile deviation QD. Today we will do mean deviation under individual series. It is also known as MD. You can do this topic only if you know how to calculate mean, median, mode in individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So let's see mean deviation. Mean deviation, again it's a statistical technique to find out variation in the series. Mean deviation can be calculated from mean, median and mode, but in your syllabus we have only mean and median. So when you will calculate mean deviation from mean or mean deviation from median, you will write like this, okay? And under mean deviation, whenever you will find out the deviation means differentiation, we will ignore plus or minus sign, okay? Let's see the steps how to calculate mean deviation. First of all, you will calculate mean or median as per the requirement of the question. If question is find out mean deviation from mean, then you will find out mean, and if the question is find out mean deviation from median, then you will calculate median. Clear? So this is the first step. And I hope that you know how to calculate mean and median in all the series. Second step, calculate deviation. So mean deviation, second step is we need to find out deviation. So deviation is difference between two things. So deviation can be calculated with the help of mean and median. So the sign of deviation is D. Under this we will ignore plus and minus sign while calculating deviation. So you will use this sign, absolute sign. So D mean is equal to formula of deviation is, if you are calculating from mean, then formula is x minus mean, and if you are calculating from median, then x minus median. Next, after calculating deviation, we will calculate mean deviation. So the formula of mean deviation is, mean deviation means you need to find out the mean of deviation. So whenever you need to find out mean, you just simply divide it with the number of items. So mean deviation means sigma d upon n, and means number of items. In individual series, n means number of items, and in discrete and continuous series, n means summation f. And mean deviation from mean and median, the formula will be, formula remains same, you just need to add f. So formula will be sigma f d upon sigma f, or you can write sigma f d upon n, because sigma f means n. Clear? Under discrete and continuous series. So after calculating these three, as I have already discussed that we have absolute measure and relative measure. So mean deviation is a absolute measure, and if you want to find out relative measure of mean deviation, that is coefficient of mean deviation, then the formula will be CMD is equal to MD mean deviation divided by mean if you have calculated mean deviation from mean, and if you have calculated mean deviation from median, then the formula will be here. So it means you will just divide mean deviation with mean or median as per the question. Now the problem is how you can learn these steps. There is no need to learn. All these steps are automatically in the name. Let's see how. If the question is find out mean deviation from mean. So first step you will write like this, mean deviation, mean. Okay. So mean, first step is calculate mean. Second step, calculate deviation. The formula of deviation is, if you are calculating from mean, is x minus mean. And mean means you need to find out mean deviation. So the formula will be sigma d upon n. So it's very simple to learn all these three steps. Now let's discuss how will you calculate mean deviation in individual series. So let's take example. How will you calculate mean deviation under individual series? I have taken one example here. This is the individual series because x variable is given, and question is find out mean deviation from mean and its relative measure means its coefficient. Now first of all, steps. So step will be, if you want to find out mean deviation from mean, so first step will be find out mean. So x series is given and we know how to calculate mean under individual series. So formula, first you will write the formula. Mean is equal to, under individual series with the direct method, if you want to find out mean, the formula is sigma x upon n. So now take the total of this column, x column. So we have 72 upon n means number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. So mean we have calculated, that is 12. First step is done. I hope it is clear. Then second step. Second step is to find out deviation. Now deviation, if you are finding the deviation with the help of mean, so the formula you need to write here x minus mean. So x it is given. Now mean it is 12. Just you need to take the difference because we are here ignoring plus and minus sign. So 12 minus 5, 7, 12 minus 8, 4, 12 and 10, the difference is 2, 0, 3, 10. Clear? So in this way you will calculate deviation. After calculating deviation, you will take the total of this column. So you will write sigma d is equal to 26. Okay. Now third step. So we have calculated mean. Second, we have calculated deviation. Now we need to find out mean deviation. So you will calculate mean of the deviation. So formula. So how will you write mean deviation from mean is equal to the formula is sigma d upon n. So sigma d here you will again write mean. It shows that you are calculating deviation from mean. So sigma d upon n. So sigma d, the total of this column is 26 upon n means number of items in individual series. So number of items is 6. So 26 divided by 6 we have 4.3. Clear? So in this way we can find out mean deviation. Now it's relative measure. Relative measure means coefficient of mean deviation. So CMD is equal to mean deviation upon mean because here we are calculating mean deviation for mean. So formula will be mean deviation upon mean. So mean deviation we have calculated, that is 4.3 divided by mean. Mean is 12. You just need to put the value and you can find out the answer, that is 0.35. Clear? Now I am taking one more example in which you will find out mean deviation from median. Same example I am taking again, and we need to find out mean deviation from median. If the question is find out mean deviation from median and calculate its relative measure, again the steps remain same. So mean deviation from median, again first step will be you will calculate median. Then second step you will calculate deviation. The third step you will calculate mean deviation. Clear? So let's see how will you calculate mean deviation from median. So as per the steps, first you will find out median, and I hope you know how to calculate median in individual series. So first of all, please remember you need to follow 3 steps while calculating median. So as per 3 steps, first is arrange the series. Already it is in arrange form. Done. Second step, median is equal to size of n plus 1 upon 2 term. So n means number of items, that is 6. 6 plus 1 upon 2, 7 upon 2 is equal to 3.5 term. So this is the second step, 3.5 term. Third step, check term in X series. But now we don't have 3.5 term. We have third term, we have fourth term. So if term is in decimal, so you will take the average of third and fourth item. Third item is 10, fourth item is 12. You will take the average of these two. 10 plus 12 divided by 2 is equal to 11. So in this way we have calculated median. Clear? So after calculating median, first step is done. Now you need to calculate deviation. So formula of deviation, x minus median, because we are calculating deviation from median. So D, you will write x minus m. You have to write formula here. Okay. So let's see. So you will just take the difference. 11 and 5, difference is 6. Then 11 and 8, difference is 3. 11 and 10, difference is 1. 1, 4 and 11. After finding the deviations, you will take the total of this column, that is sigma d, that is 26. So after calculating deviation, third step is find out mean deviation, and the formula of mean deviation is sigma d upon n. So sigma d we have 26 and n means number of items, that is 6. 26 divided by 6 is equal to 4.3. So after calculating mean deviation, we need to calculate relative measure if it is asked in the question. Formula of CMD is mean deviation upon median, because here we are calculating mean deviation from median. So mean deviation upon median, mean deviation is 4.3 and median is 11. When you will put the values, you will find the answer, that is 0.39. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.